Hello guys and most welcome to my YouTube channel Stars. Hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video you will see the Lucas Tobre's girlfriend Ivani Tolomeli make a plan to giving surprise to her boyfriend Lucas Tobre, and she made tattoo on her arms and she typed I love you Lucas Tobre in his arms, and then she will going into Lucas Tobre home and she telling to Marcus Tobre I want to meet Lucas Tobre. Then Lucas Tobre come to meet with his beautiful girlfriend Ivani Tolomeli. Then she surprised to her boyfriend Lucas Tobre and he will see I love you Lucas Tobre in his girlfriend's arms, and Lucas Tobre looks so emotional and so happy because he liked this tattoo on his girlfriend's arms. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video. Till that, and take care. Bye bye.